So, ayan. So, sa pag-analyze natin ng trusses, there are two approach, no? Na pwede natin gamitin. One is method of joints and the other is the method of sections, no? So, let's discuss muna paano gamitin yung method of joints. From the word itself, joints, ibig sabihin, mag-equilibrium equation tayo sa mga joints lang. Huwag natin tingnan yung mga members, no? I-analyze natin to, wag yan. Yung i-analyze natin dito is paisa-isahin natin to pag-analyze. No? So, for example, we have here, ito, structure natin. Nakuha natin si RA at saka si RB, di ba? Pwede natin yan makuha using summation of moments and then summation of forces along X and along Y. Di ba? Makukuha natin yung reactions na yan. So, after natin makuha, analyze natin si joint A. Kung titingnan mo si joint A dito, meron siyang reaction papunta dyan. Di ba? Nakuha natin yan. And then, yung internal forces natin dito is si AC at saka si AD. So, lagay natin yan. Hindi natin alam kung ano yung mga value nila. Unknown pa yan. Yan yung mga hinahanap natin, di ba? The internal forces. So, unknown yan. Unknown. Now, knowing that RA is going up, ano kaya yung FAC natin? Papunta doon or papunta doon? Papunta sa baba, di ba? In order na ma-oppose niya si RA. Di ba? Kasi RA plus yung pababa natin, kung static equilibrium yan, that should equal to 0. No? So kung ito papunta sa taas, so dalawa na sila pataas. So hindi yan mag-equal to 0, di ba? So it should be papunta doon. How about FAD? To the left or to the right yung direction? To the right. No? Kasi kung ito siya going downward, yung component niya along X is to the left. Di ba? So therefore, FAD should be to the right. Klaro? Now, we have three forces involved here. So, ano yung pwede natin gamitin? Pwede tayo mag-component method or pwede tayo mag-triangle method. No? So, using this one, masosolve natin yung mga unknowns dyan. Okay? So, after masolve natin sa joint A, nakuha natin itong mga forces na to. Proceed tayo to the next. It's either sa D or sa C tayo. No? So, dito, inuna niya si D. Kung makikita mo si D, di ba nakuha na natin si DA? Ito. And then, ito si P, given yan sa problem. So, yung unknown dito is ito at saka ito. No? So, makikita nyo naman by equilibrium equation, summation of forces along X, FDA is equal to FDE. Tama? But opposite in direction. Diba? By common sense. No? So, ayan. So, ito din, going down. So, ito siya going up. So, ayan lang. Klaro? Ang yung strategy lang na gagawin nyo dito is always start at the joint wherein there are only two unknowns. No? Kasi kapag susobra na ng ng 2, sabihin natin 3, 'di ba sa joint natin ano yung mga equations na pwedeng magamit? Summation of forces along X and summation of forces along Y. Dalawa lang na equation. Kung we have 3 unknowns and 2 equations, solvable hindi? Hindi. That's why you need to find a joint wherein dalawa lang yung unknown, no? So always start at a joint wherein dalawa lang yung unknown. And then proceed ka sa next na joint wherein kasunod niya, it's either D ba or sa C ka, no? So, ayan lang. So, yan lang yung technique sa method of joints natin. Klaro? Klaro? So, pwede na hindi magbigay ng example, no? Kaya na diretso? Sige, let's have an example here. We have this one. So, we have a pin connection. How many reactions do we have? 2. This one, we have 1. So, if we draw the FBD, we have this one. So, paano natin kukunin yung E? Anong equation? Summation of moments at marami yung unknown, point C. So, makukuha natin si E. Now, paano makuha si CY? Summation of forces along Y. How about CX? Summation of forces along X. So, assuming nakuha na natin, no? So, master nyo na to. Hindi na natin ito i-solve, no? Assuming na master nyo na yan. Simple naman. Summation of moments dito, makukuha si E, di ba? I-solve pa natin to. Wag na, no? Diretso na. So, we have our E here equal to, sabihin natin, 10,000 pounds. And then yung CX natin dito, ano yung value ni CX? By looking at the figure. Okay, 0. Si CY daw, sige daw, mental. Pila si CY? Ha? 5, 4, pila? 7,000. 7,000. So, ayan lang, no? 7,000 pounds. So, okay, so solve na tayo. So, saan tayo mag-una mag-joint? Oh, joint. We have, okay, pwede tayo sa point A, no? Kasi, dalawa lang yung unknown. Pwede natin yan gamitin. So, at Joint A, ano yung mga forces involved? We have going down na 2,000 pounds. And then sa pag-solve natin dito, hindi pa natin alam yung internal force kung compression ba or tension. So, i-assume muna natin na tension. Kung yung answer nyo is negative, ibig sabihin, baliktarin natin yung direction. Tama? So, sige. Going down is yung, anong force yan? FAB. And then, going papunta doon, we have force AD. So, ano yung pwede natin gamitin dyan? Triangle, no? So, we have going down na 2,000, and then we have FAB, and then, dapat, ano pala, no? Sige lang. Sige lang. Ano man dahil na, no? I-connect dapat head to tail, no? So, kung papunta doon, and then papunta doon, and then papunta doon. Tama? So, we have here 2,000. This one here is FAB and FAD. So, ano yung angle natin dito? Ayan. Ano yung angle natin dito? We have, dito is, we have 8. And then, papunta dito, we have 6. Tama? So, we have 8 at saka 6. So, anong meron dito? So, divide natin to by 2, no? We have 4 at saka 3. So, this one here is 16, 25, we have 5. So, ayan, follow lang natin. Or pwede nga, summation of forces na lang, no? Diretso. So, summation of forces along Y, positive. Positive yung upward. So, we have here, negative 2,000. And then, ito siya is going downward, no? So, we have negative FAD. And then, ano yung ratio niya? Ito. We have 4, 3, 5. Tama? So, since 4 siya, we have 4 over 5. Klaro? So, this is equal to 0. So, ano yung FAD natin dito? FAD dyan is 2,500 pounds. And it's negative, no? So, kung negative, yung direction natin should be opposite, no? So, tanggalin natin to, no? So, ayan. So, magiging positive yan. So, ano na lang. Or wag kayong mag-erase, no? Kasi sa exam, walang erasure. So, yung answer natin dito, di ba, negative to. So, negative to, no? So, ayan lang. Or pwede natin tong erase pala. Negative. Kung direction niya papunta doon, lagyan lang natin ang direction na paganyan. Okay? So, ayan lang. How about FAB? So, summation of forces along X, positive papunta doon. So, ano yung involved? We have FAB, and then we have here, ilan na siya? We have negative FAD is 2,500, no? 2,500 times 3 over 5 is equal to 0. Ay, positive pala. So, ayan. Ay, hindi. Yung nakuha nating FAD from this figure is negative, di ba? So, we have plus yan, and then we have negative dyan. No? So, ayan lang. So, wag kayong ma-confuse, no? Kasi negative yung nakalagay dito. Assuming lang na hindi pa natin na-correct yung figure natin. So, yung substitute niya ditong FAD is ito. No? So, we have here our FAB is equal to 1,500 pounds. So, ayan. Nakuha na natin to. So, marami pa tayong kukunin. No? Kaya pa? Sige na lang. So, yung example na to, very simple but very tedious. No? Simple na kayong solution, no? Dalawa lang. Summation of forces along X, summation of forces along Y. Siya ma-zero sa exam. No? So, ito lang. So, ano yung next? We have, sabihin natin, we have point B. So, ito siya. So, anong meron dito? This is compression, no? So, therefore, compression din to. Tama? And then, ano pa? Meron ding papunta doon na assuming tension muna, and then ito, tension din muna. So, this is FDE and FDB, and this one here is FAD. So, the same pa rin, no? Summation of forces along Y, positive, upward. So, anong meron dito? So, this one here. Yan na to, no? So, ito, ano yung ratio natin dito? The same pa rin, no? 4, 3, 5. How about here? Equal lang naman yan, no? Symmetry. So, this is also 4, 3, 5. So, summation of forces along Y, we have this one here downward. So, FAD, which is, ano yung value niya? 2,500. 2,500 times the direction is 4 over 5. We have 4 over 5. And then, ito din, we have going up. Ito negative, no? Ito is positive. So, we have, pila ni? FDB, we have 4 over 5 is equal to 0. So, ayan, makukuha natin si FDB, ilan yung equal niya? We have FDB is equal to 2,500 pounds. And then we have positive, no? Kasi i-transpose natin to magiging negative, makancel yung negative. So, ibig sabihin, our assumption here is correct. No? So, ayan lang. So, yung direction niya is papunta doon. Na-calculate nyo? Tama to? Sakto ra? Huwag yun nag-calculate. So, sige. Pwede na. So, summation of forces along X. Positive, papunta doon. So, anong meron dito? We have FAD, which is 2,500 times 3 over 5. And then ito, FDB natin, which is 2,500 also. And 3 over 5 then. And is also positive. And then this one here is also positive sa assumption, no? That is FDE. That is wala, no? Is equal to 0. So yan lang. So yung FDE natin is negative, no? That is negative ng pila yung value niya. Pwede pa calculate pila ni? 3,000 yung nakalagay. So we have 3,000 pounds. So, since negative yan, ibig sabihin, this is compression or papunta doon yung direction. No? So, i-correct natin yan. Klaro? So, ayan lang. Paisa-isa lang natin dito, no? Dito, sunod na naman dito, dito, dito. So, lahatin pa natin to. Dili na? Dili na daw. Okay na? Proceed tayo? Oh, may nakatulog na. Sobrang boring daw kasi sobrang easy. No? So, mahirap to, hindi. Very easy yung method of joints, no? Ano yung unang aalahanin nyo? Mag-start tayo sa joint na merong dalawa yung unknown, no? So, ayan lang. And then, ano yung mga formulas na gagamitin? Summation of forces along X, summation of forces along Y. Yan lang, very easy, no? So, perfect na sa exam, no? Ito, Charo. Ano na lang, sinong gusto mag-solve sa B? Or proceed na lang ta. Naintindihan nyo naman, di ba? Okay na, proceed na tayo? Sige, proceed tayo. So, ayan, ito na lang. Discuss na lang natin dito. May figure pala. So, point D, we have also... Ayan, we have point B. So, sa point B natin, nakuha natin to, di ba? Intention, this one here is tension. And then, may nakalagay na 1,000 dito. So, yung unknown dito is FBC and FBE. So, ano yung gagawin dito? Summation of forces along Y. The same pa rin na formula and summation of forces along X. So, makukuha natin tong dalawa dito. No? Very easy. So, ito yung mga nakuha na natin. And then, for sa E naman, at this point here, so nakuha natin to, ito, at saka, ito is nakuha natin from the very beginning. No? So, yung unknown dito is isa lang. So, ano yung gagamitin natin dito? Is either summation along X or summation along Y. No? Summation of forces. So, makuha natin si FEC. And its value is, wala, dari. No? And then lastly, yung pinaka-last is since nakuha na natin lahat, yung last natin is magagamit natin yan for checking. So, dito malalaman kung correct yung answer nyo. Correct yung answer nyo kapag summation of forces along Y would equal to 0 and summation along X equal to 0. So, dito ka makakasure na tama yung sagot mo kapag in-apply mo yung dalawang equation dito. Kapag mag-equal ng 0, sure check. No? So ito, hindi ko nire-require sa exam yung checking, pero pwede nyong gawin para sure ball kayo sa answer na check kayo. Okay? Sa pinaka-last na joint. So, to wrap up sa example na to, ito yung mga nakuha nating forces.